Autodesk Inventor 2020 delivers user-requested enhancements and continues to provide the professional-grade 3D mechanical design and engineering tools you rely on every day. This release has a brand new look, a lighter interface, a refresh to styles and icons, and improved multi-monitor support offers a brighter and more functional design workspace. Feedback and requests from the Inventor user community are always top of the list each release. For example, you'll notice updates to the mirrored sheet metal components command, a read-only mode so you can view any Inventor file type in Canvas without using a license. With Frame Generator, you now have more options for setting name defaults and placing members. And many commands have user-requested updates including multi-miter, multi-notch, lengthen and shorten, and trim. You'll notice a smoother experience while working with large assemblies, plus improvements to large patterns in parts and assemblies. The brand new Unwrap command allows you to get a flat shape from any set of continuous faces. Additionally, the latest update makes it easier than ever to leverage Fusion 360 for generative design workflows into Inventor. Inventor 2020 includes these updates plus many additional enhancements, giving you the best Inventor experience with greater power and flexibility. You don't stop until you've delivered the best possible product. Neither does Inventor. Continue tackling larger and more complex designs with the latest performance improvements. Experience enhancements around assemblies, parts, drawings, and AnyCAD workflows in Inventor 2020. AnyCAD's ability to reference files from other CAD systems, including files containing mesh geometry, has seen a performance improvement, from the display of the dialog box to finishing the command. In Express mode, you can now leverage more workflows for skeletal modeling with the ability to use and edit unconsumed sketches and work features. You'll notice command dialogues like material and appearances, hole, and joint in the assembly environment are now more responsive. Zooming and panning in large assemblies with lots of components selected has been improved. And whether you're using saved views or object filtering to change the visibility states of components, experience quicker visibility changes. In the part environment, feature patterns now generate much faster. This means back in assemblies, associative patterns will also generate much more quickly. In the drawing environment, create auxiliary and section views faster, as well as hidden lines, and see how you can get more done in less time with all the continued improvements to Autodesk Inventor. Autodesk Inventor 2020 adds many user-requested enhancements to Frame Generator. Now, choose not only Frame Generator file name defaults, but you can also set the name for end caps in the defaults dialog. New in-canvas manipulators help you place, offset, and rotate your selection, making it easier than ever to visualize the orientation of frame members. Now, find the multi-miter and multi-notch commands as a property panel. No need to select additional options to operate on multiple members at the same time. The notch command has improved options for creating custom profiles. And when notching tubes, the notch with perpendicular cut option helps you create a profile ready for laser cutting. The lengthen and shorten commands now allow you to specify asymmetrical offset values. And the trim command allows you to select which side of the member to remove. Design changes are now easier with the ability to select multiple members with the Remove End Treatment command. Close off structural frame members with the new Insert End Cap command. You can set the position, profile shape, and thickness, and save the properties of your end caps as presets for later use. And finally, you can now add custom end cap families to your Content Center library. Autodesk Inventor 2020 continues to deliver user-requested enhancements and provide the professional-grade 3D mechanical design and engineering tools you rely on. Autodesk Inventor 2020 continues to deliver new functionality to your core design commands and workflows. In the part environment, get more options for identifying and selecting sketch geometry, including closed loops and regions formed by overlapping geometry or sketch blocks. In the Relationship dialog box, sketch blocks now display in relation to their consumed features. The sweep command has also been improved with the ability to add or remove geometry by sweeping a solid along a path. Select a solid to act as your tool body and a path to sweep along. Optionally, choose an orientation and twist angle to alter the course of the body as it sweeps along the path. To help create flat shapes from complex surfaces, Inventor 2020 introduces a brand new unwrap command. This allows you to get a flat shape from any set of continuous faces. If a face can't be calculated with the unfold command in the sheet metal environment, flatten it with unwrap. During the unwrap process, a heat map shows areas of highest to lowest tension. Specify segments to remain linear. For example, keep an edge straight or rigid, or keep a hole round. Plus, it's easy to isolate and document the output surface with an option to create a dedicated view representation. Check out these enhancements and more in Autodesk Inventor 2020. Working with non-native CAD data, whether you're in a multi-CAD environment or simply receiving design files from different sources, is commonplace in nearly every engineering organization. That's why Autodesk Inventor 2020 continues to work with tools like SOLIDWORKS, and in this release adds updated translation, import, and export for CATIA, JT, Parasolids, and Rhino. Expanded translation connections allow you to leverage CAD files from virtually any source. This enables you to create designs without having to worry about where the data comes from. Additionally, the latest update makes it easier than ever to connect with Fusion 360 for generative design workflows to Inventor. Now, you simply reference the Fusion 360 files, eliminating the need to import and export. Users can access generative design right inside of Fusion 360 as part of their product design and manufacturing collection entitlement. Then get started on setting up and running design studies to find the best possible solution based on the design requirements. Associative connections to Fusion 360 Team and AnyCAD creates a link directly to the generatively designed component. Need to make updates in Fusion 360? You won't have to waste time rearranging your Inventor designs. Instead, a change made anywhere updates everywhere. Keep your assemblies up to date with a single click while preserving your work. Autodesk Inventor with AnyCAD technology makes it easier than ever to work with anyone regardless of the CAD environment. Autodesk Inventor 2020 continues to deliver improvements requested by the Inventor user community. Through the Inventor Ideas and the Inventor Beta program, users like you submit feedback and ideas to improve your Inventor experience, and we listen. Here are some customer-driven improvements for this latest release. Mirrored sheet metal components now automatically link to the source file, ensuring parts are properly associated. When creating joints between components, you can now select the center of both curved and straight slots. This eliminates the need for multiple constraints when working with slotted features. The unwrap command flattens faces that cannot be calculated with the unfold or sheet metal flat pattern command, like lofted or stamped objects. Plus, see areas of highest to lowest tension with a heat map display. Inventor 2020 now offers a read-only mode, so you can view any Inventor file type in Canvas without a license. This means non-CAD users can access bill of materials, as well as measure, section, and view Inventor models. Check out these enhancements and more in Autodesk Inventor 2020. And thanks for the feedback from users like you.